Marge, anong mahiwagang password dito?
0408.
First possession. Bola ng Nets. Ayan na. Turnover.
Best yung first possession, Nets.
Nets. De La Rama. Setting up a first possession, turnover again. Menjola, number 5. Okay, Janita. Ayan na. Rebound pa rin niya. 10 to shoot. Two points. Okay, Janita. De La Rama. And that's a Wolf. Wolf making space. No good. 10 to shoot.
TL Wilson, TL Joshua.
Dito mama.
Check.
Menjola. Ganda ng play. Favorite.
Check.
That's Lalaria. The first 2-pointer of the game.
First point, TL Wilson.
De La Rama, yan na. Wala pa din. Number? Ano ba? Number 7. Oreganida. 2 points. Sino ka shoot? Menjola?
Menjola.
Menjola, 2 points. Score natin 6-0. De La Rama. Lose the ball. Ayan na ulit ang Nets. Number 5, Menjola pull up, no good. Rebound by Wolf. Traveling violations.
Okay.
Good defense by Menjola.
Shout out kay Ernesto Cabrera.
Number 13. Number 7. That's number 7, Julianita. Timeout. Sonics.
Okay, John Ball for 3. In and out. And that's the jersey number 16. The macho. Good for 2 points. By jersey number 5. Malate. Malate.
De La Rama.
Jersey number 2.
Here goes number 25.
Good for 2 points.
That's Paulo. De La Rama again. Ganda ng pasa. Wolf.
Setting the play.
Did not connect. Save the ball. Out of bounds. Balik sa net ang bola. Alvarado inbound to Menjola.
Duarte to Cruz.
Bad pass.
Cruz down.
Sa kanila pa din.
Cruz.
There's a foul call. Number 9. Wolf.
Ang lakas naman doon.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Ni Sir Kamay.
2 shots.
The score 0-2.
First shot no good.
Duarte to Cruz. Perimeter shot. No good. So Malate now. Malate sasalak
Second shot is good.
Wala. Wala pa rin. Kuha niya.
Ayan na. Good defense by Lanaria. Nilapad. Short. Here goes number 13.
Muntik lang tumatsa.
Yeah.
Malate na.
Paulo to Wolf.
Duarte.
Wolf. Masushoot kaya. And that's the first 2 point for Team Sonics. Brought to you by Tufan Tires.
Halang now. 40 to shoot.
Shout out sa ating live viewers. Ayan na, Sir Menes, Alvarado fake. No good. Ito ng bola.
Duarte to Cruz.
Timeout.
Malalim.
Nets.
Turnover again.
Located at Aldana Center, Alwriga.
Cruz now.
Tufan Tires. Umag
Big
Express
boy.
Cargo.
Salaksak. Tip in. Wala pa rin. Malati now. Drive, kinaliwa. Good for 2 points by
De La Rama.
Malati lang.
Here goes number 13.
Wala.
Number 13. 3
Jersey number 25.
points.
Good for 2 points.
Menjola, babawi. Menjola, 3 points. De La Rama.
Malati again.
Dumiretso,
Point
nilapag.
to shoot.
Sa kanya pa din.
Bansha.
Medyo maalat lang.
2 points.
Medyo maalat lang. Ayan na.
Wala pa rin.
Ayan na ulit.
Jersey number 25.
Ayan na ulit.
Nagmamadali. Perimeter shot.
And one.
Wala.
Foul, number 4. Evangelista.
First, second.
Again,
First personal
Malaki,
foul,
wala.
second team foul.
Kasama sa
And there's a bonus
foul.
shot
Jersey
for
number
Menjola.
120. That is your first personal foul. First team foul.
This is Sonics versus Nets. Bonus shot is good.
15-5.
Score natin, 15-5.
No good.
Nets up by 10.
Shot.
Number 16, De La Rama to Wolf. Looking for his teammate. Teya.
Foul again.
No good. Sa kanila pa din. Good rebound there. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot.
14 to shoot. Duarte. Jump shot.
Wolf.
Violation. Ang tawag.
There's a foul called Lanaria. Number 28. First personal foul.
Halang now.
First team foul.
Halang sa bituka. Halang.
14 to shoot.
Bad
Ganda
shot.
ng depensa ng Nets.
Now. No good.
13 to shoot.
Who's foul rep? 120.
Grabe.
Second personal foul. Second
Good
team
defense
foul.
by Zerominez.
From
From defense to offense, nilabas.
Malati na, pupukol ng 3, 43. Wala. Right.
De La Rama. Paulo.
Number 20.
Paulo pa din. Here goes. Evangelista. And one.
He scored 8-4.
Lanaria, number 28.
Just
Second personal foul. Second team foul.
last 2 minutes.
Bonus shot yan para kay Evangelista. Score natin, 7-15. Last 2 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Here goes. Wolf for the offensive rebound. Dumiretso, nilapag. And it's good. Shout out sa ating live viewers.
Duarte. Duarte, nice pick.
Lanaria open three. Lanaria in and out.
Number 28. That's their first personal
Bola ng
foul.
Sonics.
First team
Last
foul.
touch by Aurelianida.
Duarte now. Two body shot. Pasok.
Ayan na. Ayan na, De La Rama. Hindi pa din makabutas. Lanaria, kinaliwa. 2 points. That is a quick 2 play by Team Nets.
Again, Duarte.
Number 13. Dance. Posting. Ayan na.
Ang bilis, sayang.
Grabe yun. That's Dance.
Nice pick.
Another 2-point play.
Cruz na. Kuha pa rin.
Menjola getting harassed.
14 to shoot.
Ayan na. Seramines. 14 to shoot. Another 2-point play by Lanaria.
Out of bounds. Simon!
Grabe ang chemistry ng Team Nets. De La Rama.
5 in favor by Joshua.
Oops.
1 minute.
Same ball.
30 seconds.
12 to shoot. Ten to shoot. Paulo. Good defense by Seramines. Sana na pa ng 5 to shoot.
1 minute.
Grabe si Dance. Kondisyon.
Ang shot lang is
Whoa!
10.
2 points.
10 seconds.
Menjola. And of the first quarter.
Jersey number, oy! Jersey number, Malate. That is your first person.
Score natin.
Team foul.
13-19. Back to the ball game. Okay na yan. Connect mo na lang.
Sige na.
Game ball. Green ball.
Mapindot mo yun, no? Yung reset na yun. Lasto kami.
Habol lang yan. Habol. Wala pa siya uniform.
The score, 14-10. Apat ang kalamangan ng Joshua.
Number 25.
Second quarter na tayo.
Talinio. No good.
Shout out kay Reds.
Magandang matchup to. Guzman.
Bola ng Joshua.
Guzman. Javier. Grabe. 2 points.
Okay na.
Miranda.
Ball, si Garcia.
Good defense by Team Nets. Miranda. There's a foul called. And one play. Number 6. Javier. First personal foul. First team foul.
Kunanan now.
Bonus shot by Miranda. Tag in tayo. Tag in. All players tag in. Ganda ng uniform nyo.
Good for 2 points by jersey number 15.
Brought to you by SAT. Ayan na.
Arena now.
Rebound by Javier. To Javier. Still by Talinio. Wala.
Lacson.
Uy. Wala pa din.
Garcia now set the play.
Wala, stop it!
Yes, 19 lang to.
Miranda.
Number 1. Barcia
Oh, 19 lang.
10 to shoot.
Wolf. 14 to shoot.
5.
Wolf.
4-3.
Wala pa din.
Point.
Here goes Guzman. Guzman to rack lane.
Score.
Nilapag.
12.
2 points.
Nagmamadali. Kudnanan. Good for 2 points by Kudnanan.
Grabe, run, Forrest!
Barcia now. Barcia. Jersey number 1. The
Ayan na nga.
man.
Ayan na nga.
Another.
No good.
Wala pa rin. Malakas.
14 to shoot.
Uy, grabe, layo na!
Miranda.
Again. Kudnanan.
10 to shoot. Miranda. Wala. And one.
To Joshua.
Number 10.
Ay, malakas ang
That's
papa.
Javier.
Turnover.
Dalawa Javier. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Javier, number 10. Yung foul.
Here goes Vinyas for the bonus shot. Score natin, 17-21.
Wilson.
Ayan na nga.
Tira ng 3.
Nets ball.
Ababa masyado. Yun. Kuha ni jersey number 18. Score.
Muntik na.
21-16. 5 na lang.
Foul called number
Joshua
25.
now sasalaksak.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Flores to Kudnanan. Kudnanan connecting. Good boy. 2
Javier.
points by Kudnanan.
2 points.
Tatlo na lang. Kalamangan. Ng Joshua.
Suli! Box out, ha!
Barcia now setting the
Talinio. Wala.
Again. Good for 2 points by jersey number
Javier again. To Guzman. No good.
Pesa. Pesa now. Pesa.
Good defense. Ayun na.
15 to shoot. Good for
Ano
2
ng bola? There's a foul called. Who's foul ref? Number 9, Wolf.
Score 20.
Second personal foul, second team foul. Para sa Team Sonic.
Defense!
14 to shoot.
Javier. Not this time.
Si Kudnanan. Kudnanan now.
Ayun na nga.
Kumayrina. Good for 2 points by Jade.
Cross pa pa. Ano pa?
Simon.
Foul called, number 16. First personal foul, third team foul.
Score 23-22. Isa na lang kalamangan ng Joshua.
Ano ang pangalan nito, Nicolot? Nicolot, anong pangalan?
Siguro, Japet.
Miranda, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Guzman. Wala. Javier.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Wala pa din. Here goes Japet. Japet Aguilar. Bad pass. What's the call? Timeout.
Joshua.
Team Sonics.
Mr. Besa. Jade now. Jade nagmamadali. Jade sumalaksak. Ayan.
14 to shoot.
Ang bilis naman ni Joshua.
Miranda. Talinio, 10 to shoot.
Bola ng
Japet.
Wilson.
Grabe. 2 points yan. That's Japet Aguilar.
4 minutes and 30 seconds. Wilson now. Wilson sumalaksak.
Kundi!
Guzman.
Turnover ni Mr. Wilson.
Rattling. Where's the ball?
Kapit!
Pre, di ko makita. 10 to shoot. Javier.
Go! Natin!
Miranda. Wala. Last touch.
Yan siya, 15 to shoot.
Next ball.
3, 14, wala. Dalawa. Yun.
Pre, usok ka dito.
Iba na ang malaki.
Pre, di ko makita pa ganun.
Sorry, my friend.
Zaki.
Sonics ball pala. Ay! Time out!
Now,
Nets.
14 to shoot. Sa kanila naman ang
Back to the
bola.
ball game.
Reserve timeout. 10 to shoot.
Kaya asing account ko, di ba?
Pasok. Timeout. Wilson.
Eric, magbayad ka.
Score 29-24. Lamang pa rin ang Joshua.
Bes, bayaran mo.
Ang oras natin
Hindi ma-share itong
ay
isa.
3.
Nakashoot ba?
Lead.
Shout out Sir Otton. All the way.
Shout out kay Nino Lozada. Back to the ball game. Ayun o.
Number 16. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Bola ng Wilson. Team March Zunga David. You're the live. Watching Chris basketball.
All!
Naman. Ayan na, Sigurado. Ang bilis. Sayang.
All!
Ay.
naman sila isa.
Sigurado. That is your
Basket counting.
first personal foul.
Hindi. Two
First
shots.
team foul.
All 23. All 23. For 10 to shoot. Ay. Who's foul? Talinio.
Lakson now.
First personal foul.
To Wilson.
13 foul. 3 shots.
3 points. Pasha to Saki. Nagsasalita ka lang, sumasabaw ka.
Hey, Wolf! Box out!
Is foul rip. There's an average that is their second personal foul. 13 fouls.
Ayun na!
Ayan na.
Wala.
Javier. Wala. Talinio.
Pass tayo!
Talinio. Ay.
Pasok kay Mr. Besa.
Uy, wala! Nadapa na nga eh! Wala, hindi tumama!
Bola ng Nets ball. Less than a minute remaining.
Gordon to shoot.
Pre, drop tayo!
Traveling violation.
Besa to Burador. Good for 2 points.
Penalty na kayo.
Last 55 seconds. Score 32-27.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Hindi ma-share yung
Sige,
live.
salita ka lang ako maglaan.
Yun o.
5 to shoot.
Sayang, ang lakas pa naman no ng pagkaalo. Last 35 seconds. Besa na.
Hindi naabot.
2 points by Mr.
Javier,
Besa.
2 points.
Last 30 seconds. Wilson now. Wilson.
Foul, penalty.
Salaksak.
Number 6.
Sige lang, Insan. Nice D.
Second personal foul.
Wala na shot clock.
Penalty.
Besa, aban siya. Wala. Tulaksan. 10. Wala.
Wala nang
5.
pangalan nito. Pre,
And in the second quarter,
ano pangalan niya? Ano pangalan niya?
Abang. Martin. Abang now.
Rockly,
RJ.
pati yung quality niya.
14 to shoot.
No reversible.
Meron.
Ganda na.
Tsaka
10 to shoot.
reversible kasi sa...
3 seconds
Oton.
violation.
Ay, walang warm up si Oton. Ayan na. Ivan. Good defense by Dance. Grabe naman si Dance. Turnover. Grabe yan si Dance.
Big boy.
Mukhang magagamit sa Team Bataan yan.
Jersey number 30.
Here goes Oton.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Oton. Paulo. Dance.
Okay.
14 to shoot. Wala.
Jersey number 25, 33. Yun o. Kitang-kita.
Alvarado.
Okay.
Ayun na, binato na. Wala.
10 shot.
Oton.
Italian now.
Wolf.
Italian to Wilson. Wilson. Power
Wolf.
move.
Rebound by Dance. Ayan na. Wala pa to.
Ayan na, nagmamadali na si
14 to shoot.
Good for two.
Paulo,
By
10 to shoot.
15 by Ben.
Paulo, in and out. No good. Ayan.
He scored 38-27. Malaki-laki na. Ayan na si Malate. Timer!
Traveling violation.
Yung sabi niya, diba nila? Hindi, ano, sino?
Malate yun eh. Dalawa kasing malate doon.
Oo nga, wag mali-mali yung...
Bando pala yun.
Alvarado to Ivan. And Sir Dondon, no good.
Okay.
Oton! Power move.
Deadlock, ha?
That's Oton. 2-point play. All 26.
Malate. 40 to shoot.
Ayan na. Wala. Paulo.
Paulo dito!
Who's foul? Number 17.
Shout out to Reds.
First personal foul.
Besa. Wala. Sayang.
First team
shot.
foul.
Wala pa rin. Flores is still foul.
Paulo, first shot, no good. This game is brought to you by Tufan Tires,
Wilson.
G&G Apparel,
There's Wilson. That is
Umac
first
Express
foul.
Cargo.
Second team foul.
Second shot is good. That's Paulo.
Lamang na sila.
Ivan. Grabe naman yan. Another defensive play by Dance.
Pre, laban na sila, tampak!
Good for 1 point by Mr. Abanto.
Isa lang. Sir Dondon. Wala. Rebound by Tea.
And now,
That's number 13.
Italian. Duarte. Titira ng red.
Oton.
Wala. Same ball. 14 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
Evangelista. Wala.
Bounce pass para kay Flores.
De Polanco.
Ayan now.
Ayan. Hindi makabutas. Si Sune.
Besa. Besa. Tamad. Wala.
Ah.
Ilan seconds na lang?
Wala pa rin.
Traveling.
5 minutes na.
5 minutes. Sub.
Tama.
Timeout. Sonics. We have our sponsor G&G Apparel located at Aldana Center, Alriga.
Obag.
Sa mga kailangan ng car maintenance, we have Tupan Tires. Sa mga gusto magpadala, we have Umax Express Cargo.
Obag. Obag Balate.
Sir John John,
Rebound by
14 to shoot. 2 points yan by Ivan. That's
Tension.
Jepolong,
Personal
Jepolanco,
foul. Second team foul.
Jepolanca. Father and son connection.
Reserve stop tayo. Reserve stop.
Uy, ganda ng pasa. Ba't nilayo mo pa? 3 seconds violation.
Wala pa rin. Halang ang binuka.
Uy, Lanaria! 2 points.
Abandon Dati Shore. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Sub. Pasok.
30-27. Miranda.
Sub.
Baba, down.
Out.
Wala.
Lakson in.
Dalawa.
Okay.
2 points. Japet Aguilar ng rooftop.
Wala. Lakson for 3. Wala. Who's foul left?
Sino yung nakashoot? Si
Jersey
Tatay.
number 18.
Si Japet. Sonics.
Second personal foul.
Sonics man. Lanaria, in and out.
Last 2 minutes.
Ayan na.
To shoot.
Vinyas. Wala.
Shade now.
Offensive rebound, wala pa din. Vinyas pa din. Binale. And there's a foul called.
Offensive
Number
foul
17.
by Flores.
Second personal foul.
Second team foul.
Second team foul.
Si 120, sorry.
Wala
Reserve
pa.
sub. Sub.
Wala pa. Oo. Pag na-shoot.
First attempt, no good.
AD, sa'yo rebound. AD.
Tor for 3. Wala.
Time out.
Timeout. Next.
Now.
Hey. This game is brought to you by Tufan Tires. G&G Apparel. Pre, shoutout mo yung mga ano natin dyan ha.
Okay.
Mga sponsors natin dyan ha. Intercept. Number 17. Agawa ng bola. Grabe. That's De La Rama.
Si Jade.
Foul call.
Mamadali.
Number 17.
Tatlo.
Wala.
Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Jade again. Titira na 3. 10 to shoot.
Foul called. 23. 28. Lanaria. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
10 to shoot, ha?
Ton, tirahan mo ng 3, Ton.
Mayrina for 3. Wala. Last 30 seconds. Joshua now.
Vinyas. 2 points.
Ay, 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 ay.
Shout out Sir TJ Duarte.
To Joshua 120. Goodbye. Last 15 seconds.
Mendiola.
Pause to beat.
10 to shoot. Still. Fast break. Talinio is the 2
Passion
points.
now.
Less than a minute remaining. Starting third quarter.
Ayan.
Next game, prepare. Collection.
Mayrina. Penalty.
Mendiola.
Mayrina.
Lumusot.
Second personal foul.
Wala. Ivan. Wala. Foul called. Number 14, Oton.
Telephone Tire. Dera.
First personal foul, first team foul.
And shout out G&G Apparel.
Jepolanca, first shot is good. Shout out sa ating live viewers dyan.
We have real alignment.
Both shots are good. Cutting the lead into 2. 8 seconds.
Game. Fourth
Ayan na.
quarter na tayo. Dito na magkakaalaman.
End of the third quarter. Let's go on.
Let's go, let's go.
Back to the ball game.
14 to shoot.
This game is brought to you by G&G Apparel, Tufan Tires, Umac Express Cargo, Essential
And to
Clothing,
shoot.
Daily Tees.
Kinaliwa pa.
That's there for another 3-point play.
Who's fouled?
3-point play.
Wilson. Kunanan.
Guzman, bumawi. Wala.
Wilson.
Rebound by Japet.
Second personal
Binato.
foul. Second team foul.
Galit si
Bonus
coach.
shot. Good for one.
Pero wholesome pa din.
Bonus shot.
Coach, paano magalit ng wholesome dyan? Javier, umikot. Good defense.
Nanan. Power move.
Here goes
Duarte na.
Miranda.
Duarte.
Uy!
Wala pa rin.
Sayang.
Malas-
Japet again. Wala. Vinyas. Good defense. Grabe ang depensa nila. Ayun pa din. Agaw pa din ang bola. Wala pa din. 5 to shoot.
Now. Potensyo. Inside. Ang ganda.
Si Ramirez.
pata naman nun.
Aurelianida.
Oo. Abanto yun.
Uy!
Kunanan now.
Uy!
Reserve sub tayo.
Who's foul?
Good for 2 points by Mr. Kunanan.
25, Paulo.
Reserve sub, rep ha.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Score 47-35. Malaki-laki pa rin ang kalamangan ng Joshua. Besa now, Besa to Saki. Perimeter shot.
First shot, no
for
good.
2 points by Mr. Saki. Like Sakuri. Yes, sir. Tambak. Score 49-35.
Second shot is good.
Gatchalian sasalaksak.
33-37.
For 2 points, Mr. Gatchalian.
14 to shoot.
Pasha now.
5.
14 to shoot. Besa is fake. Kuha pa rin ni Duarte.
Substitution.
Duarte to Gatchalian. Wala. Sayang. Isa pa.
13 out. Pasok na, pasok
Foul
na.
para kay Basha.
Oras tumatakbo.
Kay Basha. First personal foul. Sino may sub? Sub. Oo.
Ramirez. 3 points.
Fourteen to shoot.
Miranda, babawi. Talinyo.
Kunanan.
Talinyo!
Saki. That is your.
This is Kings basketball.
Foul.
Javier, another good defense there. Grabe yan, sir. Here goes Japet. Uy, lumusot. Tinasa pa. Grabe ng violation. Substitution. Substitution.
Last. Bonus shot.
Javier
para
out.
kay Mr. Kunanan.
Which one? Jupolang Kain. Javier out.
Pasok.
Severia in. Substitution.
Reserve sub ha.
Who's out? Who's out? Miranda out. De La Rama in.
Basha now. 14 to shoot. Wala.
Si Ramirez. Si Ramirez in and out.
Flores.
Aurelianida is there.
Malakas.
Uy, ganda ng pasa. Ay, hindi nasa lo. Guzman pa din. There's a foul called.
Nandun si Wilson.
Evangelista.
Turnover nugget.
Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Guzman.
Flores.
This game is brought to you by Tufan Tires. G&G Apparel.
14 to shoot.
First shot is good. Umac Express Cargo. Daily Tees. Essential Clothing. Abnormalities.
Timer.
Wala.
Wilson.
Grabe. Power move. But no finish. Talinyo. Advance. And one. Si Ramirez.
Shout out sa Taufan and
First personal foul, first team foul. Si Ramirez.
Parel.
Solid. Up by 5. This is telling you substitution.
Shout out kay Renz Montaño.
Olanida out, Javier in.
Ayan na, si Jay. Jade now, titira ng 3 for 3
Tapos.
points. Ito na. Score 49-41. Ilan na lang ang kalamangan. Last 4 minutes. Pesa now.
Javier.
14 to shoot.
Ivan. Easy 2 points.
10 to shoot. To 10 shoot. To Saki. Ayan na si Mayrina.
Talinio.
Jump shot. Tugatsalyan.
Vinyas.
Pasok.
Ayan na nga. Nilapag 2 points.
Score 49-43. Anim na lang kalamangan ng Joshua. Ang oras po natin is 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
2 points. Number 6.
Kamayin mo.
Pipasa kayo, huwag niyo panoorin yung tumataas sa
Ito na
gitna.
ang last 10 seconds. Barca for 3 points. Napakasimpleng
Guzman.
laro lang para kay Barca.
3-0 Guzman.
Walang kahasel-hasel.
Second.
First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution.
Laxon. Flores. Good for 2 points.
That's
Mr.
out.
Flores.
Miranda in.
Barca now. Score 52-45. Pito ang kalamangan. Barca again. To Pesa. To Saki.
First shot, no good.
Jersey number 15. Sayang, turnover. Sub rep. Pasok. Halang.
Guzman.
Last
Boy,
2
still.
minutes and 30 seconds.
Fast break. Miranda.
Score 52-45.
Unified. And one. That's Miranda.
Flores.
Substitution.
Good boy. In and out. Sayang.
Substitution. Guzman out.
Chance mo na
Menjola
yun.
in.
Sayang.
Serominas out.
Sakasalaksak.
Rackline in.
Denshaw. Sa kanya
Bonus
pa rin ang
shot.
bola. Oy. Who's fouled it? Jersey number 25, Flores. That is short.
Next game prepare.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
Wala.
Last 2 minutes.
Number 17 short.
2 minutes na tayo.
Delarama.
Good for 1 point para kay Mr. Denshaw.
14 to shoot. 10
10.
to shoot. Talinio. No good. Rebound by Nats. Here goes. Javier. Good defense by Miranda. Last 2 minutes remaining.
Last 40
Good defense by Ivan.
10.
Good defense by Javed. Grabe. No bad. In and out. That's Delarama. There's foul called Rackline. First personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. 2 shots
Denshaw now.
for Delarama.
Pesa.
You guys are watching
14 to shoot.
Kings Basketball Tuesday edition.
Chance to shoot. To Barca again. Al Barca ng Pilipinas.
Na-shoot ba? Dali.
Turnover.
No good.
Sayang.
Advance sub.
Jade now. Ang oras natin is
Ayan na.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
Menjola.
Jade again. To Tunanan. Jump shot.
Uy, 2 points yan. Number 17.
Flores. Pecos, wala.
Dikit na dikit ang laban.
Who's fouled up? Jersey number 20. 15. Pesa. First personal foul. Third team foul. Para
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
both team. Third.
2 points. Sub.
Wala.
Good.
Wala pa rin. Sayang mga crucial shot.
Rackline.
Sayang na si Halang. To
Menjola.
Barca. Relax. Ang sabi
Wala.
ni Mr. Barca.
Ivan, there's foul call. Papasok substitution.
Yan.
Delarama. Ilan na?
14 to shoot.
First.
10 to shoot. 5.
First shot, no good.
Wilson now. Wilson. Jersey number 28. Hala, ang bitong ah.
Isa lang.
Ball shot para kay Mr. Wilson. Pasok. Second ball shot. Pasok.
Less than a minute remaining.
Huwag mo ibigay! Huwag mo ibigay!
Ayan na si Paul Cunanan.
Magdamot ka! Magdamot ka!
14.
Okay, ate!
Warning for penalty na tayo. Penalty.
Ganda ng laban, mga pre.
Okay, 46.
Penalty tayo.
Foul called.
Score
Penalty.
53-47. Anim lang yan.
Rattling, second personal foul. Penalty.
Dalawang 2
Penalty ba?
points.
Penalty.
Sino yung nakaw?
Rattling. Number 1.
Dalawa na sila.
Wala. Para kay Mr. Kamay.
Isa na lang. Hindi, tatlo na. Isa na lang. Kailangan yung isa.
Pasok
Good shot,
para
good.
Mr. Kamay. Ayan na. Ayun, pasa mo kay shooter. Ayan o. Uy. Benga, sayang. Wala na shot clock.
Sinong foul? Lanaria?
50.
Lanaria.
Nice game. Wilson and Joshua. Ang panalo ay Joshua.
That's good.
Congratulations both teams.
Next game,
Score
Rodania, collection ulit tayo.
54-47. Next game, dress up, collection, please.
Best player of the game sa kabila, Sir Armando. Meron kang free change oil. Uy. Benjola. Uy. 3. Timeout. Sonics.
Meron pa isa.
Meron pa isa.
Sapa.
Huwag magalit. Ay, kalaban. Ay, dito. 14.
Oo, oo.
Tao! Hey, talino! Saan ka? Talino! Tulong ka!
Foul called. Guzman.
Good one! Penalty!
Penalty.
Penalty.
Anong laban dito sa kabila tayo?
Number 30. Ilan na si Guzman?
Dalawa.
Anong game dito? Next game.
Stop!
Sab!
Substitution.
Next game dito, score 2.
Meron.
Meron pa tayong isang talino.
Ace na kasi bitin. Ace na kasi bitin.
Randa! May positive tayo isa. Pero,
May pulse din.
Pasok na, next game. Dress up and collection.
Advance timeout. Ay, andiyan na ba?
sila. Rebound! Den sa'yo, Den! AD! Rebound! Foul to give sa'yo! Foul to give! Nice one! Uy! Kasi na!
1 pa, 1 second pa.
Wow.
Saan ba si Delbrits? First shot good.
Wala. Nag-bounce eh. Nag-bounce. Saka kinuha. Nag-bounce sa side yung bola. Saka mo kinuha. Tapos nag-time out ka.
End of the game.
Hindi, nag-bounce kasi sa bola.
Congratulations,
Nag-bounce sa side yung bola.
Sonics.